Yo, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Today I have here a model kit which came from Bandai from the underrated Gundam Mecha anime After War Gundam X. But it so happened that this is one of my most favorite anime series of Gundam because the story is really funny. And I really like the simplicity of the characters and designs of the model kits or the mobile suit are very nice. I really like that show. Anyway, I have here the main protagonist Mecha from the season 2 of that After War Gundam X, one of the underrated. To be honest, I'm very disappointed that they say it's an underrated anime. Anyway, this is none other than the Gundam XX, which is piloted by Garodran, and this is, I think, the mobile suit or the Gundam mecha that is built by the Earth's Federation to counteract or battle with the new types from space. So I decided to buy this and not just to straight build it but to customize it because I bought these Doll-in Hands, the Doll-in Hands 3.0, and I'm planning to change the hand of this kit. And this handset here is compatible with the Gundam X, the first protagonist suit from that series, and I'm very happy that it fits, that the model kit is compatible with this. So I hope this will be compatible also for this Doll-in handset. So anyway, let's check this kit out and let's see what's this underrated kit or underrated anime Gundam X or Double X is all about. So the box art here shows the very nice looking Gundam Double X, where it spread its satellite panels here, and the satellite cannon is ready to fire. And what I like from this box art is it has the moon on its background. Very nice looking. And we can see the G bits here, the Gundam bits. So it's the equivalent to the funnels from the Universal Century. And in the After War Gundam X, it is in the form of unmanned mobile suit. And it's being used by the new types such as Jamil Neat, and he can control it by using his brain waves. So these are the Gundam X G-bits there. And I bought it from a Malaysian seller, which is Hobby Hunter PK 8, Hobby Hunter 8 PK, and he sold it for the price of 2,700 pesos here in the Philippines, but in Malaysia it's 169 Malaysian ringgit. So it's very affordable because most of the price for this model is around 4,000 to 5,000 pesos in Shopee Philippines. And let's look in the side of the box. We can see the cool action poses of the Gundam Double X, where it can do the Gundam L strike pose, and there we have the satellite cannon deployed and the satellite panels spread there. And we have the straight build here with the Gundam accessories, the shield, the Buster Rifle, and the very nice looking beam saber effect that it's like a Super Saiyan hair. And there we can see the hatches, the microwave panels here, which opens whenever the Gundam XX use its satellite cannon. And there we can see the barrel, the microwave cannon barrel. It can move from side to side, and there's the swiveling of the shoulders, and some gimmicks there. It can the shoulder lens there can fit to the satellite cannon. The other side of the box, we can see the front view and the rear view of the kit. It's very nice, and I just have some concern with this kind of wing design or the panel design for this Gundam XX, because I observed from the reviews of other YouTuber viewers, this is a space consuming part here. So I decided to buy something that can modify the appearance of this panel here, and I'll show you after this review here. So inside of the box, there we can see the panel, satellite panel. There's the foil there, and yellow, clear yellow part there for the satellite dish. So if we open the box here, we can see the instruction manual, and the instruction manual here has the same picture from the box art, and there we can see some explanation there, but unfortunately this is in Japanese text, which I cannot read because I don't know how to read Japanese text. And there's this manga clippings, or from the anime. This is the last episode where they discovered that the new type is just a concept. There's no new type as per the anime, so it's just like a concept. And there we can see Jamelit, Tifa. This very cute girl here is Tifa, and there's the young Gundam pilot, who is Garodran, who happens to be a thief of mobile suits. There we can see parts name and the pegs, something like that, and how to cut the pegs for the kit. Parts list here. This is not that complicated. The runners are not so much, and I think I can finish this within 4 hours, depending on my mood. And there are polycaps here for the kit, but not all the polycaps can be used. And yep, there are parts here that will not be used by the kit. So there are spare things there. So these are black and white in printout, so the traditional color for Bandai manual printing. And the center fold, we can see some action poses there. It's like the Ale Strike shooting pose and satellite cannon shooting pose. There we can see the satellite cannon being deployed, and the slashing pose for this Gundam XX. Very nice. And there, the instruction manual, we can see how to transform or to deploy the satellite cannons there. And the color guide or the decal sheet guide here is also available. And let's go to the parts. So let's talk about this later. And there we have gray parts for the inner frame parts. So we got two sets of this for the beam saber effect parts and the satellite cannon clear color yellow dish here. So these are two. We got some multicolored runners for the yellow parts, dark or black parts, clear green parts, and we have a choice whether to use this rounded clear green or this angled clear green parts for the chest, I think. No, this is these are two. Sorry, these are two. So this will be utilized, and we got some red parts here also. There we got the black parts here for the shoulder armors, gray parts for the inner frame, and white parts for the armor pieces and the shield. We can see a Tifa action figure here. Tifa and Garrod Run sitting. Very nice. Tifa is standing there because she is considered one of the strongest new type from the series. And we have this gold parts here. I think this one for the funnel, the panels, I think, and the gray parts for inner frames. We got some white parts here for the satellite cannon and armor pieces, and there we got another gray parts for the inner frames and this gold panels here. And finally, we got some reflectorized paper here for the satellite dish, and we got some nicely transfer decals here, or stickers. I think this one are stickers if I'm not mistaken. Yep. Doesn't come in a big form, so this is lesser, which is very nice. And we have this foil sticker for the lenses and the eyes. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So we have here white parts for the runner F. These are for the inner frame and the shield parts, the gun parts, and for the skirt armor. And we got two sets of runner G here for the white armor parts. These are for the satellite dish and the satellite cannon. So we got two of this, and we got some multicolored runner for runner A, and these are for the red parts, the dark blue parts, and this clear green pieces here for the eyes, and this chest part here. And we got yellow vents and the yellow parts here for the V-fins. We got polycaps here. We got this gray colored polycaps. We have two sets of runner H for the shoulder armor, and we have this runner D here for the inner frame parts, and yep, we have this shield and this butt skirt here for the inner frame. We got some gray parts here, runner B. So we got two sets of runner B here, and these are for the leg inner frames. We got some another gray inner frames here for the runner E1 and runner E2. So these are for inner frame armors. We have runner I here for the panels. These are this looks goldish to me, and we got two sets of beam saber effect parts, and we got this two sets of excuse me, we got these two sets of clear yellow part for the satellite dish. And we got a runner for the manipulator, but unfortunately I don't like using this manipulator set here, which is runner C1. Instead, I will change the hands by using this Dalin 1100 handset version 3.0, which is very cheap and affordable here in the Philippines. This is only 437 pesos. If you want to buy this, it's available on Shopee. And I got this modification plastic part here from the Shopee store, ZDX, I think, zdxhands.ph, and he's selling accessories for customization of your kits, like the MGEX hands, and this two little plastic part here for the satellite dish. So this is to convert a part from the satellite dish for it to be folded downward, because as I told you about, this is a space consuming piece here. So if you want to put this fold it down like most mobile suit wings, you can do so by applying this two pieces of plastic here. So I bought it for 268 pesos from that shop, and I hope that it will fit and there will be no problem if I apply this to my kit. So anyway, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and thank you for watching this review. Before I forgot, there's this sheet here, foil sheet for the satellite dish, and we got some foil stickers for the camera lenses, the eyes, and a small amount of stickers for the details, for the decals. And once again, thank you very much for watching this unboxing. I hope you find this interesting and informative, and you can share it to your friends. And again, see you next time, and let's build this and review afterwards. Good night, God bless, and take care.